Hello, and welcome to another update video on XLM. Yeah, this video is done because you guys voted for it on Discord. If you also want to have a say and determine what kind of content you can see here on the YouTube channel, make sure you join as a gold member. You can join Discord and have a say here and vote as well for the coins you want analyzed. Today, we're covering XLM. Last few days I covered already Injective, for example, and AVAX, and Mana, and GRT, and many more. So today we want to cover XLM. You guys voted for it as well. So let's break it down together here. And I posted this already earlier today on Discord, so you guys are probably aware. But I wanted to give you guys the video heads up as well. So what we're looking for here is after the price bottomed, like many other coins, in the fourth wave, yeah, that's at least the thesis. We could now be working on a fifth wave to the upside. And so what I'm tracking is the potential on the XLM chart that we're getting a 5-wave move to the upside, like that. And that should take us to new highs above the July high. There is a trend line here that is currently coming in at around 60 cents, I would say. Yeah, 60 cents. And that is coming from the long-term chart. So you see that here, yeah. So you see that we have a couple of touch points, 3 actually. So I think this area around 60 cents could act as strong resistance. You can also see here how this could be playing out to the upside. Obviously, this is the weekly chart or 4-day chart. I can also go to the weekly chart. So don't mix up these time frames. This is really just a larger time frame. And it shows that really, if you really look at it like that, the price has only been moving sideways since 2017, 2018. And all of this is actually part of range-bound movement. We really only break out of the range if we can get a break above that 60-cent area. And then the door opens to $2.20 plus. I think that context is very, very important. So let's take a look at the shorter time frame here. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, yeah, you can see that an internal pullback formed here around the 1st of September. And that was just really the internal pullback, right? This is everything zoomed in. And this is really what most swing traders look for here in the short term. I would not really try to analyze this chart on a smaller time frame. It doesn't really make much sense. What we have seen is a 3-wave move up from the September low. That could be wave 1 of a leading diagonal. We had a wave 2, 3 waves up in wave 3, then wave 4, and probably we will get 3 waves up in wave 5, best I can tell. So we're not necessarily expecting here impulsive movement to the upside from that low. I mean, I just said it doesn't make sense to analyze it on a smaller time frame. True, still I want to show you how I see that, because the wave 1 was a 3-wave move, wave 3, A, B, C. So we should also get here A, B, C. I would not be surprised by that in wave 5. A, B, C. Yeah. The A wave itself seems like a 3-wave move. So what I can do, I can just shrink this support zone. This is still relevant. Yeah. Technically speaking, we could still be in wave 4, still possible, but it looks like we've started at least wave 5, and then micro support is here. That's kind of micro support that keeps this direct uptrend alive from the 15th of September low. So 38 cents to 39 cents. As long as we're holding that, we should be on our way higher to form the 5th wave. Now, could we be, and that's kind of an alternative scenario in orange, could we already be in a 3rd wave? Could we have bottomed in wave 2 already? Right, you see here, this is expected to go higher anyway. For a clearer 5-wave move, one more high would be ideal. There is resistance around 43 cents, so maybe we get there. But the main takeaway is it could also be a 3rd wave. Yeah, we could already be in the breakout. Now in the yellow count, we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice and easy. Wave 2 pullback breakout. In the 3rd wave, we might already be in the breakout. Just something to be prepared for. It's not as clean. And it, at the moment, based on momentum, looks a little bit more like the wave 5 in 1. But both are pointing to higher prices. So you see, we reacted to the larger support area. dipped into this support area, and we've got another one, but they are going to smaller and smaller time frames and wave degrees, right? They refer to smaller and smaller wave degrees. So yeah, anyway, looking for higher prices at the moment. I keep you updated about anything that changes. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. If you want to join us on Discord, make sure you join as a gold member. Then you can connect automatically to Discord. Any questions, reach out to support@morecryptoonline.com. Yeah, there you can vote for coins and all sorts of things. Join the community. But feel free to join us as well on X for additional updates, news, charts, all sorts of things here. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.